What's good, YouTube? Back with another video today, and in today's video I will be doing an unboxing. I ordered the 245 Eco battery upgrade for wall clippers. I ordered that on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. The package was supposed to come in on Monday, but we're about to go to the mailbox right now because I just got notification that it has been delivered. So we're gonna go grab it out the mailbox. I just want to say shout out to 245 for always putting out great products. Also, just for the expedited shipping, you know, they do a great job at getting people their stuff as soon as they can. So especially with the COVID-19 stay-at-home orders and everything that's going on, the craziness in the world, just to be able to get these packages out expedited quickly, it's a great thing. So shout out to that company. But we're gonna go ahead and get to the mailbox and get the package.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Stepping on the Yeezys in this quarantine. Let's get this box. All right, let's see what's in the box. We'll just rip it open. I don't have patience. Alrighty. So we got the Matt Gifted Hands wall cover, the wall clipper cover, and then also we got the 245 Eco battery upgrade. So we're gonna throw this in the clipper and see what it's looking like. Alrighty, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. So we got our 245 Eco battery upgrade. So we'll go ahead and get this open. So basically, all we're doing is going to be swapping this out with the wall battery that's already in there. So it's just going to be an easy transition. So there's a logo cord that plugs into the board inside the wall clipper. And also we're going to need a flathead. And also, I don't think we'll need a Phillips, but, oh yeah, we do need a Phillips to get these screws out. We got our Matt Gifted Hands clear clipper cover. If you're not subscribed to his channel yet, go check it out. Matt Gifted Hands on YouTube. Great content all the time. Great barber tutorials. He's just overall entertaining. So there's our clipper cover right there. I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab our wall magic clips, and we're just gonna take out these screws right here, and then yeah, that's it. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy off. With these screws, they're extremely easy to strip, so you gotta make sure that you have a small enough screwdriver, and also you're applying the right amount of pressure. I wish I had a smaller screwdriver than this, but this is all I got in my apartment right now. But it's getting the job done. So with these, this battery upgrade, I've heard nothing but good things about it. I initially seen Sean cuts hair. Actually, I seen his video. I seen that they had this out and dropped on the website. So as soon as I got done watching that, I went and checked the mail. Or I'm sorry, I went online, ordered this, and it was here ASAP. But we got our screws off. We're gonna go ahead and pop this off now. Pop that silver piece off. We'll set that aside, and then also we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. Now, this is where having a flathead is gonna come into play. So you wanna just grab your nail, if you can, slide it in there. There we go, just slide it around, get it all popped out. Oops, you don't want to turn it on. There we go. Now we got that all taken off. I'm gonna let these screws sit over here. And as you can see, inside is dirty. Haven't cleaned it in a minute. That might be the next video I do, is a cleaning video. But this, I don't plan on keeping this. But this sticker and artwork was done by one of my clients, Marco Valdez. He also has a channel, and I'll go ahead and link that below too. I'm just trying to spread love and get everybody and get everybody some subscribers. He does a lot of photo editing tutorials and other photography type videos. But go check him out. I'm gonna leave his link below, and you can go and check out his channel and subscribe. Now the next thing that we're gonna do, I was gonna go ahead and clean this all out right here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little brush I got here. I'm gonna go ahead and just get some of that hair out before I use the air duster and spray it out. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Yeah, that was in serious need of clean. Alright, we got that all cleaned out. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this battery out from in here. You wanna be careful with all the wires and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this screwdriver here. I'm gonna pop this battery out here. Nice and easy. We got it taken out. Alright, we got that removed. I'm just gonna slide that board right there. But battery's removed, as you can see here. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with a 245 battery. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hook it up into the circuit board. Give it a gentle push in there. So basically, I just use my nail to push the plastic down even more. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this battery right where it needs to go. So let me flip this around. There we go. Now we got that battery plopped right where it needs to go, as you can see there. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take our Matt Gifted Hands clipper cover. We're gonna go ahead and toss that back on. From what I've heard from a lot of people is that it just fits like a glove, so we're gonna see. And it's on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the screws back in there. So we got all the screws all screwed in, and that's what we're looking at right there. You can see the battery on the inside. Replaced it. So let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. Sounds like a brand new Magic Clip to me. But can't wait to use these. Like I said, great product from 245. If you're not following them on Instagram, follow them. Go cop some products they got. Very great company, innovating the game, the barber game. Just really great product. You can hear the power. So can't wait to use these. But that'll do it for this video here. Well, like I said, everybody, that'll do it for the video. I appreciate you for watching, sticking through. And like I said, I highly suggest this product. It's 245. 245.com is where you can get all of their products at. So here's just another look at the clipper one more time. So you can see that 245 Eco upgrade battery in there. And the Matt Gifted Hands clipper cover. But appreciate you for watching. Like I said, we are over 1,000 subscribers. So the next video that I put out is gonna be directions on how to enter the 1K giveaway. And in that 1K giveaway, I will be giving out to one lucky winner the metal edition Magic Clips, a merch shirt, and also the Sean Cutter color card. Like I said, I just appreciate everybody who's been rocking with me, who's been vibing with me, been sharing my content, sharing my channel with your friends and family and what have you. I really, truly thank you. 1,000 subscribers would not be possible without everybody. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you got something out of this video, smash that like button. And until next time, peace.